guys, and welcome back to my channel. Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, it is officially summer, so today I'm going to be talking about some summer wardrobe essentials that you just must have. First up, linen. Okay, summer would not be right if you did not have at least one linen option. Now, 100% linen is very, very pricey. However, there are a number of retailers that have the linen blend option where you can get the look for half the price. H&M has it, Old Navy has it. There are options for you. We love linen because it is so lightweight, especially in the summer when the heat is on and the humidity is high. We need something lightweight, but at the same time keeping the structure, being cute and fashionable. Because it's summer, we know vacations are happening, and with vacations and beaches, we need a beach tote. Okay, there are so many variations out there for you to choose from. I particularly love my St. Laurent beach tote. I love the tote because it's huge and I can get everything in it. I use it as a carry-on when I'm traveling, so I can just kind of stuff all of the things I need in the tote. And I love the durability of it. It is that linen color, but with the linen color, it gives the impression that it can be stained easily. But to my surprise, it has not. I normally use a magic eraser to it to get any scuffs that may come on the bag. But other than that, the durability is amazing. Another beach bag that I had on my radar is the Marni bag. Now, as of late, I've been eyeing this bag, and I think I want to add this to my collection. Outside of the designer options, there's so many. Target has great beach bags. Walmart, y'all. Listen. All of my fashion girlies know that Walmart has upgraded, okay? Walmart has the stuff for the fashion girlies. So don't want to invest the money in a designer beach bag. There are so many options out there for you. So don't sleep on Target, baby. They'll get you all the way right if you want a cute beach bag. Next up, sunglasses. It's summertime. Listen. What is summer without the sunnies, okay? So with the sunglass trend this year, we're going big and bold. We're doing tinted lenses with the sunglasses. So I say this is where you get your creative juices flowing. If you want to try out color, try it out in all of the sunglass variations. For me, I do a mix of designer as well as Amazon, Target, you name it. I do have a few of my favorite, but for this summer, I'm going big, baby. So go big or go home. So we're doing big frames. We're doing interesting frames. We're doing colors. We're doing tinted lenses for sunglasses. I encourage you to get your creative juices flowing. Take a chance with some of the fashion styles for some of the sunglasses because they are so on trend for this summer. Next up, you gotta have a pair of denim shorts, okay? It's summertime. Sun's out, buns out, okay? Well, legs out. But you have to have a pair of great shorts, okay? Shorts can be a little bit difficult to shop for depending on if you're like a curvy woman. For myself, I consider myself curvy, okay? So shorts can be a challenge, but as of late, I have lucked up on some good shorts that have been so comfortable. Listen, Target is always the place, all right? Target has these great styles of denim shorts. They have a variation of high rise, mid rise, low rise, distress, all different colors, all different tones. They even had white shorts, okay? I'm gonna give me some white shorts. So I am telling you now, run to Target and get the shorts at a discounted price. Abercrombie also has great denim shorts. I love Abercrombie because they have a variations of styles that range from slim to curvy. So I love that for us because listen, we're all different sizes and we want our clothes to fit. I also love that most of the shorts, they don't give you that gap in the back. They allow for the bum or the booty, as you may say, to breathe. So there's room for the booty, and then we have that gather at the waist that we love, okay? We don't want that gap action with our denim shorts. Denim shorts are a summer must-have. They can be styled in so many ways. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I mean, you can pair them with heels, sneakers, denim shorts. It is a must-have to have in your wardrobe. It's officially slip dress season, okay? You gotta have you a slip skirt or slip dress. Slip dresses and slip skirts are just timeless from season to season. I love that you can wear them almost anywhere. You can go to the most fanciest places down to the most casual events. Slip dresses and slip skirts can be dressed up or down. You can even pair it with sneakers for a really casual look. Go ahead and get you a vibrant color slip dress or slip skirt, honey. Easy to put on. It's easy to pair with so many things. You could pair it with a blazer. You could pair it with a sneaker. You can pair it with a t-shirt. The options are endless. Slip dress and the slip skirt is a must-have for this season. Speaking of dresses, we can't forget the maxi dress, okay? Maxi dresses are just here to stay. All right, and for the summer, you need them in your wardrobe. I love a maxi dress because it's just a one and done outfit from head to toe. Slip on some nice slides and you're ready to go. Maxi dresses come in so many styles and variations and colors to complement any shape. That maxi dress can be styled for any event, especially for vacations, and we love vacations for summer. So on your next vacation, be sure to pack you a maxi dress. It is one item that's so versatile for anything or any event for that matter. So the maxi dress, get you one and make sure you have a few so you can switch it up for this summer season. And last but not least, the white button down. I honestly think the white button down is just a year-round staple that you just need to have. I love a clean, crisp button down shirt. This item can be worn in so many ways. It can be worn alone. You can actually remix the top to something that you really like. I do that a lot with a lot of my button down tops. You can wear it as a cover up. You can wear it as an open option. White button down is just a must have for the summer season and seasons beyond. So many styling options for a white button down. And a style tip, that slip dress you got, you can pair that with that white button down and it'd be a whole look. All right, guys, that is it for now. Comment down below letting me know some of your summer favorite wardrobe staples and if you've tried any of the ones that I've mentioned. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.